when I started, I couldn't walk from here to the car without having to stop twice and take some breathers. I was breathing heavy, just getting across the thing. Now I'm dancing for a full hour without having to sit down. I'm walking to the park. I'm actually walking to enjoy this beautiful natural beauty around me. And I couldn't do that before. We don't even realize how much of our lives we're sacrificing. If you're in that place where you're 100 pounds overweight or more, life can change so quickly. You might be feeling very dark today, but 2 days' time, you could be with a little bit of movement and a little bit of getting out, getting some sunshine and breathing some fresh air. You could be feeling so much better. So get on out of that house, get your butt out, shake your booty, take a walk, do something and enjoy yourself.